What's good, what is good, my sisters? We're back again with another video, and today we're at Gold Coast Casino. Now, Gold Coast Casino is right next to the Brio and across the street from the Palms, but when you walk in, on the left is going to be your gift shop and liquor store, and on the right is your registration. Gold Coast is a pretty small casino, so instead of having like big name stuff, they have like a Java Vegas for their cafe. They have a strip of table games that honestly reminds me of the setup that the Orleans has. As you can see, they did have a sportsbook in the back. They also have a few different types of video gambling games along with video poker rather than regular poker. They do have a pool and jacuzzi and a fitness center. Those are the hours. You do have to walk down this sketchy alleyway, but they are a pet-friendly casino. As you can see, your dog can go to the bathroom while you're just doing your thing. And their pool is year-round. So this is what the area looks like. And it was open at this time, but obviously nobody was over here. But that's the pool, and they also have a jacuzzi to go with it. Now, just about the only name brand thing you're going to get at Gold Coast is this Subway and the TGI Fridays we saw earlier. There's this restaurant in Gold Coast called Noodle Exchange, and it always smells really good here, and it's always super busy. So I definitely recommend going there because literally everyone loves it. I've never met anyone who doesn't love it. Also, this is another close-up of the sports book, but I just want to mention that Gold Coast is a Boyd gaming company, and it's part of like the Be Connected, so that's basically the Orleans, the Rio, basically all of what you would call the local casinos. And also Cornerstone is a steakhouse that they have rather than having their buffet. They took that down and put in the Cornerstone Steakhouse. They also have bingo upstairs along with bowling, but they are reconstructing the casino, so to get to bowling you have to walk through the whole casino rather than walking up a certain flight of stairs or anything like that. Also, the sports bar that you saw below, the red zone, that's a sports bar, and it's right next to the entrance to get to bingo and bowling. That's all I have for you guys today. Toodles!